Hey, listen! We're 3D printing my friend Link's boomerang. This print takes 6 hours. Watch it in less than 3 minutes. Hey, listen, I want to know what your favorite Zelda game is. Drop a comment below and tell me. My favorite one was Twilight Princess. I just liked being able to turn into a wolf tbh. At some point, I'm going to make a Link cosplay. But until then, tag your favorite Link, Legend of Zelda cosplayers. I would love to add some cool folks to our mutuals. I just might be working on some opportunities once my website launches. Hey, listen! Make sure to interact with this post if you liked it. Follow for more if you enjoy nerdy art. We also have other social media. Make sure to check those out.